Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and this morning I'm going to teach you guys during this snowstorm with no shirt on how to make Fruity Pebbles snow cream using the International Delight Fruity Pebbles coffee creamer. And if anyone asks, yes, I'm kind of nuts. You will need 1/4 of a cup of coffee creamer, 1 cup of Fruity Pebbles cereal, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 15 cups of snow. Mix it all together. Wow. Whew. Very fruity pebbly. Very good too. I think this is a win. But that's all I got for you guys this morning. Do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to stand outside in the cold and make Fruity Pebbles ice cream out of snow, just have fun with it. Especially when you haven't had any sleep. But if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and hitting the little bell for notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and like and share and comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great morning, everyone. Stay safe, stay off the roads, please.